So we've been plugging away on finishing up the van build. You may, if you've been following along, you've probably heard us refer to phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Phase 1 was just the idea of getting the DIY custom van high top all done and closed in and weather sealed, and enough of a build that we could use the thing. We've accomplished that now. So we got some footage for you here. It's been crazy with weather, and some of the inside stuff is a little tedious, so we haven't filmed as much. We've got some clips, so we're going to share those with you in this video, so you can kind of see the sort of the end of the process, finishing up phase 1 and the beginning of, we're kind of transitioning into phase 2, doing some trim and things like that. And I'm recording this as we're out in the national grasslands. We're up in northern Wyoming, camped in the Thunder Basin National Grassland. So we have the next video up, I think, will be a tour. We've already started recording it, so we're going to finish recording it today or tomorrow. So you'll be able to see the whole thing. But before we show the tour, we'll show some of the remnants of working on the build thing. We do plan to shoot a couple of more detailed videos on a couple of the bigger projects we still have pending, but for the last couple of weeks, it's like I said, between weather and just trying to get stuff done before we got even more snow. We've had snow several times. It's getting cold. Days are short. It's only a couple hours. It's warm enough to be outside working on the van. So we haven't filmed a ton, but here it is. Here's from where we left off with the last build video to where we're at right now. And the last of these clips were recorded this morning, on second week in November. And like I said, we have a tour video come up in the next video or two as well, so you can see the whole interior. But here's what we've been working on. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the process here and what we've been working on and the progress we've been making. Like I said, keep an eye out for the full tour video. We'll show you around the outside and the inside, all the stuff we've done inside. So far, we're not done. It's a work in progress still. We're into phase 2 now, as we were calling it. And that's like all the trim work and some of the detail work. And phase 3 will be like whatever little niggly things we didn't get to in the other ones. But we got the van out on a trial run this weekend to see how things are working for us. If there's anything we want to tweak before we get too carried away with the detail stuff. But we hope you enjoyed seeing what we've been up to and how the van is coming along. And definitely keep an eye out for that tour video. If you haven't, it'll be coming within the next couple days. And we do have calendars. Our 2025 photo calendars are in and shipping now. So if you want to grab one of those, they make great gifts too. If you don't want one yourself, you can head over to our website, robertwitham.com, and you can pick one up there. We do have limited supply just because we want to make sure we can sell them all and we don't get stuck with a bunch of calendars that you can't get rid of after the first of the year rolls around, because nobody needs calendars anymore. So they're available on the website if you want them. And hope you enjoyed the scenes here. And like I said, we got a tour video coming up in the next few days, so stay tuned for that. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate your following along.